Hi guys, and welcome to another Keep It Wheels video. So today is my birthday, and the wifey said, where would you like to go? She offered to drive. So I said, let's go to a car meet. So off we go. See you there.
He's not here.
Look! Wow! Look at the snake! What's the snake do? Yeah!
He's a diamondback python. He's 15, 16 years old. 3 meters, 6 kilos.
Wow.
His name's Diesel.
Oh, that's a cool
You
name.
say snake?
We might let you touch the back of him.
Yeah, if you want to. You want to pat him there?
Oh, wow. So thank you.
There you go. Yes please. Thank you.
All right. Maybe, Steve, you want to hang on to Chad's
Thanks for that. So this brings us to an end of another video. I hope you guys liked the car show. We did end up eating at the Hairy Dog Cafe. It wasn't too bad, and it was fairly wheelchair accessible, as you can see. So see you on the next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.